I saw this on the internet. This poor lady was crying and crying and crying. She got a phone call from her bank. They said her credit card had some type of fraud. And they listed some transactions and saying, did you do these transactions? There were about 5 or 6 listed, and 2 of them were absolutely true transactions she did do. But the other one, she said, no, I did not do them. And that's what made her believe it's absolutely real. And the next time she checked her bank account, her checking and savings were completely cleaned out like a vacuum cleaner. She said that she didn't give out her password. It was just a few verification questions that sounded innocent, that's all. She doesn't tell us what those verification questions were, but I suspect it might have been some code to reset the password or something else about your mother's maiden name. You see, these phone calls, you don't give any information. They might ask you 1 or 2 verification questions if you phone your bank, but not if they phone you. Remember, if a bank phones you with any issue about your cards, do not give any information, no matter how convincing they sound. You call back on the number on your card, not the number given by the caller, to make sure you talk to the right person. As always, my mission is to keep you safe.